So this is the part 2 of answering your questions that you have sent me on my TikTok account. Pa-help po, paano po mag-process ng au pair visa from Philippines to Sweden, and my host family na daw sila. Okay, even the au pair visa, makikita lahat ng mga documents na kailangan ninyo on their website. Same website pa rin po, migrationsverket.se. I-search nyo lang doon, may search bar naman, au pair. And then lahat ng mga documents na kailangan, andun na po. How many months ang processing ng au pair? This is case-to-case basis kasi hindi naman pareho lahat ng case, no? So, if ever lahat ng mga documents, meron ka na kompleto na insurance, passport, very important, pati yung contract mo with the host, red ribbon, with all those things, kung kompleto naman na, then doon na lang kayo mag-wait sa since sa Bangkok talaga yung biometrics for now kasi wala tayo sa Pilipinas. So, depende yan siya kung kailan sila sasagot yung doon sa Bangkok. And if may result na, make sure ito to all au pairs out there, if nasa Bangkok na kayo, make it sure na sabihin nyo sa embassy na yung card nyo i-deliver sa host family na address nyo, which is dito sa Sweden, kasi mas mabilis to siya. So if ever andun na sa address ng host family mo yung card mo, then ipapa-DHL na lang yan nila. It's like 1 or 2 days lang, darating na sa inyo, and make it sure i-address yan sa hotel na pinagsistahin mo ng Thailand. So mas madali yung biyahe mo, kasi in my case before, nagantay ako almost 1 month or 3 weeks yata bago ko nakuha yung pink card, which is yung visa ng au pair. So it's good for you na ipa-address nyo muna sa host family nyo. Sana naintindihan nyo ko, no? Tinatry ko talaga i-explain. Eto, I know someone assisting au pairs going to Sweden, as she is a former au pair before. She said na in order for an au pair to get an au pair visa na long term, you need to travel going to Thailand for biometrics and etc. Which I wanted to confirm it with someone who has experienced this type of process. I wanted to make sure na this is a normal ba or can this scam. I hope I can be enlightened po and get an answer from someone like you. Thank you po. Yes, as what I've said a while ago, wala pa tayong embassy, wala na sa ngayon, or consulate sa... Ang gulo, no? Walang Swedish consulate or embassy sa Pilipinas. So, kaya ginagawa yung biometrics sa Thailand. So, for all au pairs, wala na kayong interview. Pumupunta ang mga au pairs sa Thailand for biometrics only. Pero, there are some cases na in-interview yung au pair if they will see something na, I smell something fishy, ganun lang. Pero normal po na pinapapunta ng Thailand muna yung mga au pair bago sila dumiretso ng Europe country. So, to all aspiring au pairs out there, God bless and good luck sa application nyo. I pray and I hope that you will fall onto the host family na fit talaga kayo and mag-work kayo. Nasa puso ko talaga yung mga au pairs and love na love ko talaga ang mga au pairs. So I hope and I pray that I can help you through answering your questions in this video. And sa ngayon, di na masyado akong updated about what's going on with the au pair visa and something. But I'm still connected with the au pair so I can ask them if ever mga information ako na hindi ko alam. So, yung mga sinishare ko sa inyo, it's according to my experience, which is medyo matagal-tagal na since 2019 pa. Pero if there are things pa naman na applicable, same lang until today, then I hope na makatulong yan sa inyo. God bless! Goodbye!